The Joker just stopped. We are on a volcano, it's boiling hot, and we've run out of gears. How do we got here? Let's go back to the start. The Joker is a Grand Prix car. No room for luggage, no space for spares. So we took the trailer. Surprisingly, customs was easy, unlike last time. At the hotel, we got blocked immediately, but we sorted, we always do.
All the parking spaces available around here, and that's more in the back, we decided to park there.
The ferry to Sicily, everything slowed down.
You've done it. Well done.
Just silence, the sea, and the feeling that something big was about to begin. Reality kicked in quickly. Tight roads, too tight for a trailer. Cars parked everywhere, we had no choice.
We're in trouble because of this, and it's really tight in the back, so we're gonna have to detach the trailer and try to push it manually, but I don't know if our friend is gonna be able.
Detach the trailer right there. The others made it through. We didn't.
Stop! No, just hold on a little. Is that Rupert?
No. Somebody.
Then we reached the hotel. Everything changed. Pre-war Bugattis everywhere. We found paradise.
Take this umbrella just in case. Hello. Hi.
The first day was smooth. Too smooth. I think the Joker was taking easy on me. The roads were incredible, the views even better. Driving Joker among all these pre-war Bugattis, it felt unreal.
And we have the Bugattis there. I am here. And we're going to eat here.
Joker got a little dirty, well, filthy, but that's part of the story. Then the real problem: brutal heat, steep roads, volcanic ash everywhere. Then silence. No idle, no refs. The Joker just stopped. I tried everything. Fourth, third, second, first. With its last breath, it gave up.
Don't have any gloves, don't we? We have a rag or something?
We just died, so we don't know what's wrong with it at the moment.
Didn't accelerate at all.
We're just going to have a look at the plug and see.
Oh, they're okay. They're on black.
Plugs were fine, so we gave it the only thing we had: water, just 2 bottles. Others stops to help, but they were struggling too. Same heat, same problem. Somehow we made it. That's when I saw my face covered in muck. The Joker did this. The adventure continued. Ancient places. We didn't understand a word, but it didn't matter.
Quali uomini? Io che non ho saputo starti accanto.
The next day, something shifted. I started to understand the car. The roads got faster, more technical, and I kept up. Then the moment, an airfield full of Bugattis. Hearing them roar together, I'll never forget that sound. I wasn't just following anymore, I was driving, maybe even being a little naughty.
My original hair color, and this is how it looks after I've been sitting with them untied. Oof, I think I need a shower.
A gala dinner, one last look at the cars, then time to head home. Sicily was a dream. The Joker handled the open road and the volcano, but the touring is over. Next, we're heading to the hill climb. It's one thing to drive through a volcano, it's another to race up one. See you at the start line.